Good morning, everybody. It's kind of dark. How about that? That's much better. So, this morning we're going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to see if my dog Clark can pace me to a 5K PB. Obviously, it won't be a real PB. I'm going to go do a quick warm-up and then I'll be back. See you guys in a second.
2 seconds later.
Alright, just got back from the warm-up. Gonna strap Clark up and we're gonna hit the road. Now we're ready. Oh boy. Now that we got the stretches out of the way, we're taking a different route today than my last 5K time trial. So we may have to stop at a stoplight, maybe two. I'm hoping we'll time it perfectly and we won't have to, but gonna be safe rather than going for the time. My current 5K PB is 22:19, which I just posted maybe a couple weeks ago. So that's what we're shooting for. All right, walking up to the start line here at the light. Clark is more than ready. Having a panic attack. You still ready?
I'm ready. I'm ready.
This is the exact pulling I'm gonna need. This is what I need that whole time to break my PB. All right, let's go. All right, so theoretically, I think if we run 7s, we should be able to do it. He's definitely fast enough. We're about a quarter mile in, probably a 6:30 pace, so a little hot, but we'll dial it in. Beautiful spring morning, as always. Definitely gonna have to rely on him because I am redlining already. Mile 1, 6:49. Probably should have gone out a little bit slower. Body brake. Struggle bus. We went out too fast. Here's our one stoplight. I take advantage of it, honestly. Well, it started off good. I might still be able to break it. It definitely won't be an official PB, obviously, just because I'm not running by myself and I got Clark, and yeah, it doesn't really count. But fun to see what we can run together. He loves it. He's already recovered. I'm not. Mile 2, 7:23. Expected. A little bit of rolling hills in that portion, and we went out super strong. No shame. Just gonna give it our best. I'm definitely running an awkward speed for him. It's in between a gallop and a trot. Probably not helping him. He seems to be fine. I am struggling. He's probably what would be considered a running dog, but it is amazing how much faster and how much more stamina he has, even though he's quite the house dog. I'm impressed. I'm slowing down. Mile 3, 7:05. Hold on. Well, that's would be a PR if I didn't have Clark. 22:08. Ow, that's pretty good. I think I might be able to set a new one by myself without carrying this camera. My arms are tired. Oh, Clark, I'm so proud of you. You killed it, buddy. So for video purposes, Clark is able to pull me to a PB. That was fun. I need to take him running with me more. He clearly enjoys it a lot, and I'm not in a training block right now, so it's not as important to be running on my own power. Clarky, did you have fun? Yeah. He's already recovered and ready to go more, but I am dying. Well, thanks so much for watching, everyone. If you're not already, make sure you subscribe to the channel for your chance at winning a pair of free running shoes. See you guys next time.